Welcome to Idioms Learning Program by Random Dudes Club. What does a piece of cake mean? It means something easily achieved. If you think something is very easy to do, you can say it is a piece of cake. People often say this to stop someone feeling worried about doing something they have to do. Example:
How did your English test go last week, Daniel?
The English test? Oh, that test was a piece of cake.
But the question is, how did the term cake come to mean easy? The idea of cake being easy originated in the 1870s when cakes were given out as prizes for winning competitions. In particular, there was a tradition in the U.S. slavery states where slaves would circle around a cake at a gathering. The most graceful pair would win the cake in middle. From this the term cakewalk and piece of cake came into being, both meaning that something was easy to accomplish. Thanks for watching, and for more info please subscribe to this channel.